Hi, hello, what's up? Welcome back to my channel Rans by Ray, and thank you so much for subscribing to my channel and sticking around. And to all of the new subscribers, hi, this is Srijani. I am a 19-year-old college student, and I know that I have been very inconsistent on my YouTube, which is the long form. I'm pretty consistent with the shorts though. So yeah, today's video, I think you must have guessed it by the thumbnail and the title of the video, is the book haul of the half of 2025, which is January to June. I cannot believe that we have just spent half of this year already. So yeah, I today is 29th of June, technically 30th, since it's 2 a.m. right now, or like 2:30, I don't know. So yeah, and don't mind the ring over here, it's because of the ring light that I'm using. So yeah, so let me tell you that I have already received 109 books so far, and I'm waiting if I get any more in the rest of the July, which is like a couple of days. So yeah, let's just begin without any further ado, and we will start up with the month of January. Okay, so to begin with, we have this book called Mahadevi. It is by Priyanka Sharma. I got this book in AKLF in January. So this is the first book of 2025 that I have received. Then we have few books from HarperCollins. And when I am telling you the story, when I'm showing you the book, I'll just tell you the story of this books. So this book is called A Mistletoe Mystery, The Mistletoe Mystery by Neeta Prose. Basically, this is the third installment of the Maid series. It's a really good, cozy murder mystery. So basically, what happened was, I requested this book from to HarperCollins back in November or October, I'm not sure, but then they did not send me the book. So I mailed them. I followed up with email, and then I had to reach out to them. Then they finally sent me over in January. So yeah, that's that. Then we have this book called Death at Morning House by Maureen Johnson. This is how it looks like, and same happened with this one. I think this one was back in October, and the Mistletoe Mystery was in November. So yeah, that's that. Then we have a very controversial book, which is also by HarperCollins. This is Too Good to Be True by Prajakta Kori. I have a detailed YouTube video review of this book, and yeah, you can maybe check it out. This was, by the way, by far the most watched long form YouTube in my channel, like YouTube video in my channel. So yeah, do give my video a try. Then maybe you can do give this one a try. Then we have my favorite book, which is The 40 Rules of Love by Elif Shafak. Why I tell you, because this is my favorite book, because I read this book, I think, back in 2023, and ever since I have not been able to move on from this book. It's just amazing, it's brilliant, it's a fabulous book, and if you have not read it yet, I think you're missing out, and I think you should definitely read this book. So I had a pirated version of the copy back in 2023, when I was not really aware of piracy or anything as such. So I had to get an original. So this is how it looks like. I love this book. Okay, so I got it from an unhaul, by the way. Um, then we have is a book of poems. So it's called 97 Poems by TTT, which is Terribly Tiny Tales. I have been following them since forever on Instagram, and I really love their content. So yeah, I bought it from an unhaul, from the same seller actually. So yeah, that's why I have bought it. Then we have a bunch of books which are sent by a publisher. So I'll just show you guys. First up, we have Finding Love by CL Peach. So this is how it looks like. So this was sent by the publisher of the book. It's Bombay Circle Press. Then we have another book. It's called Eternally Single, Rosa Alvarez. This is also a romance novel. It's sent by the same publisher. Then we have Parallel, which is a very hype book, and I think I'll like dive into it very very soon. So yeah, this is that. Then we have the last one, no, the second last. So then we have Chloe Cameron's Guide to Accidentally Dating a Rock Star. The title is very interesting and intriguing, I would say. So yeah, this is the book. This is how it looks like. Then we have the last one, The Advice Columnist. This is how it looks like. So yeah, that's that. Then we have two more books for the month of January that I have received. So I'll just show you. So we have Country by Daniel Steele. I have heard of this author a lot actually, but I have not got the opportunity to try her. So I will definitely do that. So this was a gift by a friend, a brother, you can say, from our book club, which is Kolkata Bookworms. Thank you so much, Onisda. I have not read it yet, but I will soon read it. I'm really excited to read this, by the way. So this is that. Then, then for the final book, we have Rasas by Shalini Modi. It's a signed copy. So I met the author in AKLF. She was super nice. I have had the opportunity to interview her, and she has sent me the book, and I love it. I'm gonna read it very, very soon. So yeah, that was it for January, and for the month of February, we have a lot of books. So I'll show you just. For the month of February, we have so many books, and I really love the whole the whole collection in front of me because we have a perfect balance of romance, we have a perfect balance of classics, thrillers, and autobiographies. So it's really nice. So I cannot wait to show you.